in the past, here's your chance at another one. 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, and this one is a beauty. A little over 10,000 original miles on this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, one owner vehicle. Actually came out of Tennessee. Fawn gray, light gray leather interior, and of course underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LT1 V8 powered, and that is paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission. Great highway cruisers. If you've ever ridden or driven in one of these, they are luxurious rear wheel drive car that they just don't make them like this anymore. And to find one with this kind of miles and this kind of condition doesn't happen every day. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of it, you can check out the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. If you have interest in this car, I would call sooner than later. We get them in and they do not last long. Take a look up and down. Passenger side, you can see free of nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, the split bench seat up front. There would be the leather Brougham interior. This does have the upgraded stereo option, so you do have AM, FM, CD, and cassette stereo. Also has the security package and the full-size spare. You can check out the still pic or the window sticker in with our still pictures, so you'll be able to see the options on this car and exactly how it was ordered from Cadillac back in 1996. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, still pictures, so you can see that window sticker, undersides, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side of this vehicle. Again, you can see how straight it is, free of nicks, dings, scratches. Show you the interior here in a second too and how nice that is, but I want to give you a shot up and down the side of this driver's side. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Again, Brougham leather interior. Of course, all your Cadillac options, and you can look down the standard options on this car in the still picture where that window sticker's at, but there's your power windows. Seat adjusters are power on both sides, heated, power lumbar over here in the driver's, power reclining. With the Brougham, you get them loaded up, no doubt about that. Take a look at the top of the dash. Definitely tell this car was stored indoors, and just take a look at how supple this leather still is. Nice condition it's in, hardly any wear on it whatsoever. Take a look at the headliner. Of course, the rear visors, lit vanity mirrors back there, and you can see the headliner, good shape. No surprises on this one, folks. Let's go ahead and start it up, check out the exact miles. All right, close the door so we're not dinging. There you go, 10,186. And as you can see, no warning indicators on, just a fasten seatbelt over here. And to pushing the brake to shift, pushing the brake, light goes out. Wow. Electronic climate control, and again, the upgraded stereo system for this car. Alright, we slip around to the back just so you can hear it run. Sounds as it should. Not notice any modifications done to this. The vinyl roof is in beautiful shape. Paint shows excellent. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, let you take a peek under there, see how clean and nice and tidy that engine bay is.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the headliner, or hood liner, excuse me. Nice and clean. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather, like I said. Previously titled in Tennessee. There's that LT1 power plant, very desirable. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped. All the options you're going to get on the Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. There you go. Yes, a little over 10,000 miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents, one owner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.